This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Four people are dead, a teen hospitalized, and the residents of Greenhill left stunned after a man attempted to elude gunmen who shot him while he was picking up his girlfriend around 7:30 p.m. on Sunday on the Jerusalem Main Road in the community. According to reports, 46-year-old Hopeton Stewart, in making his escape, lost control of his vehicle and drove it into a crowd of people who were gathered after grave digging. 3 people died from the crash, and a 13-year-old girl, who is a daughter of one of the victims, sustained injuries. In addition to Stewart, who died at hospital, the deceased include Denise Richards, mother of the hospitalized teen, Rosalind Shearer Grant, a resident from the nearby community who was vending during the grave digging, and another man who has not yet been identified by name. A police inspector assigned to the St. Catherine Enhanced Security Measures Division was found dead at home on Tuesday morning. Reports are that the body of Enra Maduri was found in his car at his Whitewater Meadows home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, with a single gunshot wound to the head. His firearm was found at the scene. Today was reportedly the lawman's birthday. Embattled dancehall producer Linval Shab Don Thompson Jr. appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court Tuesday to answer to a bribery charge. The producer is accused of offering $2 million to a policeman to remove an illegal firearm from his motor car before it was searched by the police. Thompson, who was charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition in relation to said illegal weapon, was however freed of the gun charges in April. Shab Don is also set to face 3 counts of murder in the St. James Parish Court on July 26. In sports, Jamaica's Reggae Girls qualified for their second consecutive Senior FIFA World Cup with an emphatic 4-0 win over Haiti at the CONCACAF Women's Championship in Mexico. It follows their historic first-time qualification in 2019. The USA won the group with a maximum 9 points following their 1-0 win over Mexico, who ended pointless. Jamaica finished second on 6 points ahead of Haiti on 3 points. And in international news, 8 Conservative MPs will vie to become UK Prime Minister, the party announced Tuesday, with frontrunner Rishi Sunak launching his campaign by saying he would not demonize the outgoing Boris Johnson despite triggering his demise. Former Finance Minister Sunak, his successor Nadhim Zahawi, Foreign Secretary Liz Truss, former Defense Minister Penny Mordaunt, and ex-Health Minister Jeremy Hunt all received the support of more than 20 MPs, the threshold required to enter the race. They are joined by outsiders Kemi Badenoch, Suella Braverman, and Tom Tugendhat in Wednesday's first round of voting, where at least one will be eliminated. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.